Welcome to day 24. Today we're focusing on leg strength, and as you know by now, at this time in the challenge, strong legs equals strong bodies. So if you're struggling to do any of these movements at all, do a modified version that aligns with where your body feels comfortable. So the goal is to practice until you're doing this with ease. Don't focus on what other people can do, focus on where you're at, and if you can't go into a full squat, that's fine. You just do a half squat because we're here to get better and to improve. You're going to need a set of dumbbells for this workout plus a step. If you have one like mine, that's great. And if you don't, that's fine. Use a step inside of your house or a box. And today's tip explains why bones need regular signals to stay strong and responsive. Super important for midlife as bone loss is silent and most women don't realize that it's happening until they get a test. And that's what happened to me, so I don't want it to happen to you. Read all about it in today's tip. I am so excited. Let's get started. Our first exercise is a goblet squat. Hold your dumbbells at your chest with feet in sumo position. Then lower yourself down into a squat, keeping your chest high. Then push through the heels back to standing. Up next, lower into a half squat, and in this position take one step to the left and one step to the right. Keep your hips low, your core tight and your movement smooth. Next up, we have a split stance RDL. So with your front foot forward and back foot half a step behind, hinge back at the hips, then lower your dumbbell along your leg, then squeeze the glutes to stand back up. Focus on keeping your body weight in the heel. Keep going, you've got this. You are doing so well. Take a rest and next up, change sides. Next up, hold your dumbbell as you step one foot onto the box, then lower back down with control. Focus on activating your glute muscle as you step up and careful balance as you step down. You are on fire. Change sides.
You're an outlaw, and there's a reward on your soul. I'm your downfall, a kiss from my lips and your heart runs cold. I'm your poison, a little too much and you're done. Caught red-handed, there's no escape from a smoking gun. You think this game is over? Come closer. You tried to run, but got nowhere to.
Next up, hold the dumbbells with both hands, hinge at the hips to swing the dumbbell back through your legs, then drive hips forward to drive the weight to your chest height. Let it drop back through your legs and repeat. Your hips are powering this movement, so make sure that your back stays strong and flat.
You're a villain, breaking my rules and you're sure. Pure addiction, you know I'm bad, but it feels so good. You think this game is over? Come closer. The night is getting colder. Come closer.
Our last two exercises are on the floor, so come down to a kneeling position, lift your leg with a bent knee out to the side, pause at the top, then lower it down with control. Keep your core strong and your hips square.
You try to run, but got nowhere to hide. I've got you spinning in my web of lies. I fooled you once, and now I'll fool you twice. I'm crawling under your skin, all the trouble you're in. All the trouble you're in. Oh no, all the trouble you're in.
Io con te in questa notte infinita.
Take a well-deserved rest, and next up we change sides.
Meraviglia. Io e te e danza dolce questa vita. Sì, qui con te tutto brilla. Vola con me tutta la città. E sulla luna da te è arrivata. Io
Next up, we have a glute bridge. So from a lying position with your knees bent, drive through the heels as you lift your hips away from the ground, squeeze the glutes and then lower slowly and repeat.
Sì, qui con te, meraviglia. Io con te. Come il mare anche se qui non c'è. Qui con te sei. Io e te.
You are amazing. Let me know in the comments below that you got it done. And that's a great way for you to track your progress, to see your name in there every day so you know you're showing up for yourself. If you still have some more energy, go back and do that exact workout again. That'll give you 2 sets of 10 minutes for a full 20-minute workout. And if you're ready to take your fitness to the next level, you're going to love the Vitality app, the app that I created just for you for midlife women. And it's the same exercise prescription as we're using here in the 28-day challenge, which is 3 strength trainings a week, 2 cardios, balance, mobility and stretching, and it's more robust. So there's longer workouts, more specific workouts, lots of challenges for all different fitness levels, plus meal plans, face yoga, brain training, Pilates and tapping, which is our new feature. So you have the option of doing a 14-day free trial, no risk to you at all. So you're invited. I would love for you to join me there. Thank you so much for working out with me today, and I'll see you tomorrow.